I drew our family.
Oh, that's beautiful, sweetie.
Great job. A real artist in the family.
I love rainy days like this.
Me too. They remind me of when you were little.
Look at that bear go.
He's so funny. I love this show.
Me too, buddy. Rainy days are the best.
Grandfather, the rain has made everything so fresh.
Yes, the earth is happy.
Your tomatoes look perfect.
They are.
Thank you. Careful, it's hot. Smells wonderful.
I'm glad.
It's perfect. Thanks.
There we go, all in. Now to blend it all together.
This is so fun. Yeah, higher. Whee!
Here you are, Obasa.
It's hot. Thank you, dear. It smells wonderful. Yes, it looks delicious.
Let's eat.
Yummy, my turn next.
Of course, sweetie.
It's so good, Mommy.
This is so nice. It really is.
With family, the best.